What if you try to snort the egg white and transfer it like that?
Hello. Unfortunately, my assistant in this video is not funny. My blood is boiling. That's why I need to light this sage to rid the spirits, the evil spirits of our souls. So, if you want to continue forward in this beautiful video, except it's not beautiful because we have a shitty person in the video. Not me, obviously, not me. The person to my left. Not the fuck, cameraman. Not to my left, but like in the video. But in the video, he's to my left. He's shit. He's not funny. He thinks licking me is funny, but it's not funny. It's clearly not funny. It's not fucking funny. It's not funny. I said it's not funny. It's not fucking funny, man. Okay, I'm gonna do it really quickly, the intro. You ready?
One take.
Hello, my name's Tony.
Hello and welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. Today we're making some meringue pudding, and as you see, I here have my bisexual partner. Okay, we're gonna do this quick. Okay, we're in a different location today. We're actually in my bubba's house. So we're making meringue, okay? So what we need is some egg whites, alright? Now we've got to be careful enough to not get any yolk in the egg white.
You fucking amateur.
Okay, so what I did in the first episode, bring it up. What I did in the first episode was use my mouth to transport the egg to another bowl. So what we're gonna do here is I actually got a comment saying, what happens if you don't have a mouth? And the simple answer is use your nose. Okay?
Oh, no.
So we simply just go. Okay, it's not really working.
Try
so
it again. Really get in there.
Oh, it's not working. Hang on.
What if you try to snort the egg white and transfer it like that?
We'll do a few more. So we'll simply just do it how normally we do it. Now you got to be very careful not to get any.
That should be impressive.
Is that fucking you, babe?
So now we're gonna. Would you like to mix?
Don't spill it.
No,
Be careful,
I know.
Tony.
I know. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to stir it until soft peaks form.
Nothing.
Okay, so we're gonna add more sugar.
Oh.
Yeah, you're an idiot.
Can you please film this? We have 3. Excuse me, Tony.
Tony, you fuckwit.
Tony.
I'm just filming a disappointment.
Tony.
Here you go.
Tony.
I don't know what to do.
Alright, we need to do one of two things. Put it in a fridge or put it in a microwave.
What? No, why would you put it in the microwave?
Because you gotta do something to it.
Did you? You could probably eat this now. It'd be edible.
Will we get salmonella?
Tony's the new Hugh Hefner. Baba!
Don't shout at her.
We're filming. Speak Maso to our Maso fans. Say something in Macedonian.
Ti da ćutiš, ti si ćuti. A? Da go natepam luk? Huh?
Yeah, TC Pichka. They're saying that Alexander the Great was Greek.
Yeah, I know.
Get out of here, go. Okay, we have finished our baking meringue man, and the useless people in the background who are weird as fuck. Abusing women is fine. Nah.